If you want to take revenge on your friend and make her or him squirm, you'll need an ice cream waffle cone and some shaving cream. Pour shaving cream into the cone abundantly and use your finger to mix it to create a look of a delicious and creamy ice cream. That's more like it. Oh God, it's so hot today. Sophie, you want some ice cream? Of course, give it to me. Oh yeah, that's super bad. If you love playing awesome jokes on your friends, keep watching for more pranks. Same boring snacks in the house. I wish there were some good snacks around. No more worries, Sophie. Judy is such an amazing friend that she got you your very own cupcake for you. Ooh, I can't wait to taste the sweetness. What? This cupcake is made out of water? Look at that exploding cake. Water is all over the place. To prank a friend like this, add a balloon in a cupcake bowl and cover it with some frosting and sprinkles. Once it's cut into, it will go everywhere. Don't worry, Sophie. You'll get Judy back on this. For this prank, you'll need to find a sleeping friend. Aw, look at this sleeping beauty. She's deep in her dream world. Well, Sophie has something sneaky planned for Emma. Let's see what can happen with some tape and with a little bit of imagination. Tape around your sleeping friend with many layers of tape onto his or her bed. You can even use different colors to make it look even more wild. There you go, last bit of it. Success! Quick, hide before Emma wakes up. Rise and shine, Emma. What? What is this? Why, I can't move out of my bed. Sophie, I hate you. There's nothing better than a peaceful, quick nap. But all the peaceful vibes can be disturbed by a friend who's on the watch on rocking your boat. At your next slumber party, pour some baby powder into your friend's hand. Find a flying fly tune and play it around your friend's ears. Do you hear that buzzing sound? Rise and shine, Sophie. Hey, is there a fly on your face? Boom! Perfect shot right in the face. That definitely looks very funny for us, but not for Sophie. She'll have to take a good shower after this. Well done, Emma. Well done. Having a cup of tea was always an innocent, friendly, and relaxing ritual. That's for me? Thank you, Sophie. You'll never know what will hit you. Oh, that's such a good tea. I really needed it. Oh, I forgot to take out the tea bag. Oh gosh, what is this? Sophie, did this come from your private parts? Oh gosh, I'm terribly sorry. I'd probably mistaken it for a bag of tea. Yuck! This is so sickening, Sophie. How can you do something like this to me? If you want to freak your friend out, take a tampon and add a tea bag label on the very end of the thread and serve it with a fruit or berry tea to give an even more realistic impression. Genuinely evil. Some classes are hard to survive without falling asleep because of a boring subject. I'll just lay here for a moment or two. Perfect timing. Sophie's sleeping. Quick, take her glasses and put a lock on the frames. Lock the lock and hide the key so that she won't find it. I bet she will never look for the key over here. Wake up, Sophie. You can't miss the whole class. Huh? What's happening? Are we still in class? What? My glasses? Why are they locked? She never knew what was coming for her. Well, Sophie, you'll have to find the key if you want to carry on studying. Where is it? There it is. Very funny, Emma. Locking up my glasses and hiding the key? Well, somehow you have to entertain yourself on such boring days. Love desserts? How about some chocolate sponge cake? A bit different from the one your grandma used to make. Add some Nutella on a sponge and spread it all around. Drop some sprinkles to make it look more real. And here you go. Oh yeah, this is looking very delicious. How about we offer this cake to Emma? I bet she can't refuse this time. Hey Emma, look what I just made for you. That's for me? Oh, you're so sweet, Sophie. Are you sure you don't want some? No, you can have it. What? Yuck! I'm eating a sponge. Sophie, that is disgusting. What's wrong with you? Our next tip involves a bit of water and a little bit of acting. Oh, hey Judy, I see you're doing some cleaning. This dust makes me achoo! What's your problem, Sophie? Oh, oops, sorry. I must be catching a virus or something. Sorry. Oh, gross. It's all on me. Get out of here, Sophie. Yuck, she's so gross. Man, this day sure feels hot. It's such a shame we have to be at home and study for our class. Claudia, you don't mind if I take a sip of your Coke? Sure. Oh, this is so good with weather like today. Wow, that was refreshing. What? Don't you mind sparing some? Ugh. I need to somehow take my revenge. That's it, soy sauce. Perfect. Pour soy sauce into a Coke bottle to make it look like a Coke. An outstanding plan to trick your friend. Just act natural now. Hey Emma, you want some more Coke? Oh, sure. Yes, she's taking the bait. That won't end very well. Ugh! What is this? Yuck! This is definitely not a Coke. Yuck, Claudia! What did you put in there? How can you do this to me? Oh, isn't yoga supposed to be fun and relaxing? Now this benching and stretching is killing your back. Oh, I will never achieve ultimate flexibility and peace of mind that comes with it. What if I have a little bit of help? If only. Ah, there you go. I will just grab one leg and another. Woof, that wasn't so hard, was it? I'm proud of my achievements. Of course, without a little help from Sophie, it wouldn't be possible. Well, that's what best friends are for. For more pranks and jokes on your friends, subscribe to our channel, Wizard School, and keep yourself updated for the hottest tips and games on how to prank your friends, or even enemies. Have a blast, and see you on the next video.